What's up, YouTube? So I just got a little tripod thingy thing so I can start vlogging. It's actually pretty nice. My camera's kind of heavy, but the vlogging is going to get real. Yeah, and obviously, guys, do not mind the pimple on the nose. I was picking at it all morning, and that's why it's a little red. But that thing does not want to pop. Like, seriously, look at that. That's bad. That's real bad. What's up, y'all? So in this video, I'm doing a mid-fade comb over. In my first 4 videos, I did coarse hair, and I want to show you guys that I can be, you know, versatile, and I can do any type of texture hair. So that's why I've been doing a lot of slick backs and comb overs lately, because I want you guys to learn from me every type of different hairstyles. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like it, and also comment and subscribe to my YouTube. And please don't forget to turn the post notifications on. I'd appreciate that a lot if you guys did that for me. And let me help you. But you guys have to help me, or help me help you. Yeah, that one. Help me help you. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned. Stay tuned. Dang, I can't get it right. So for the first step, I'm going to be balding out with my cordless slimline pros. Like I said in the beginning, I am doing a mid fade, so I'm kind of I'm not going to do the hooks, so I'm just completely taking off the hooks. So as you see in the back, I'm kind of dropping it lower because I kind of want to give it that mid drop fade look, and I also want to keep the back, you know, darker, so I can keep that mid drop fade look. Make sure that the guy line or the bald line is straight, and there's your first step. So for my first step, or not my first step, my second step, I have my cordless wall seniors, and I have the lever all the way open, and I'm doing the guideline about ½ an inch. Like I said in all my videos, ½ an inch. Usually that's how I do all my guidelines. But make sure that it is straight, because again, in all my videos, I usually say if the guideline is straight and the bald line is straight, that it's the fade or the blend is gonna come out straight. So I'm going to be doing this around the entire head, so stay tuned. So for the next step, I'm closing my lever and I'm taking out that bald line. So what I do is I use the corners a lot, especially on taking out the line. I go close, halfway open. I usually do that for the entire, you know, that's like my routine is close, midway, open. Use the corners a lot in this, especially because you don't really want to make another line, because it's really hard to take out. Well, it's not really hard to take out. It's just less work, you know. So follow my steps: close, halfway, then open. Just play with your levers a lot, and you guys should get it down. So this next step, I have my one guard. So I'm gonna make another guideline about 1/2 inch again. Make sure that it is straight. I'm not really digging in, you know, with the one. I'm kind of flicking out because I don't really want to make a hard line because I am gonna eventually clipper over comb that. So I just flick out, you know, flick out, flick out, flick out. So on this step, I have my my zero guard, and I'm gonna go halfway. No, close. Halfway, close. Halfway, yeah, halfway. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm just doing that. See what it'll do. And it is lining it up. But eventually, I go open and then close. I play with the lever, cause I kind of want to give it that, you know, that blurry look. You feel me? So yeah, go halfway, then close and open. Play with the levers a lot just to take out the little dark spots. And as you cut more and more, you see the dark spots, and you know what lever, if it was close, open, or mid, what it'll take it out and to lighten it up. So for this part, I have my clipper comb, and basically what I'm trying to do is, you see that dark spot right there, I'm just trying to get that hair all out. So as you can see, that the hair that I'm trying to get, you see it poking out. So I'm going up at a 90-degree angle, and all the hair that you see that's poking out, that's the hair that you want to get. So just go straight up, and the hairs that are hanging off, boom, cut those, you know. At first, like when I first started cutting hair, I didn't really know how to do it that well, but as time went on, and I used the clipper comb a lot more, it started getting easier. It started getting like second nature. You feel me? But it does take time to get used to, because like when I first started, I didn't want to patch anybody. So it just takes repetition. You know, just go straight up at a 90-degree angle and just clip. And like I said, the hairs that are poking out, those are the hairs that you want. You know, just boom, 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 boom. So for this part, I am fading in the beard. I don't really want to go too low, so I'm kind of keeping it in that certain area. So I do close it, you know, just so I can get out that line. I'm just closing it. I am using the corners a lot, so close, open, halfway. I do take my my zero guard right here, and I'm just kind of lightening it up. Just do whatever you can to lighten it up, but don't try to go so low, because you know people, they do care about their beards. So I have my Elegance hair serum. I use this to, when I blow dry and style the hair, it's good because it doesn't really It protects the hair from getting burned when you're blow drying and styling, and it actually adds pretty good volume to the hair. So you guys should look into this. It's called Elegance Hair Serum. Just look it up on Amazon. So this video is about wrapped up. I thank you guys for watching my YouTube video and sticking through it. If you guys need any questions, or you guys want me to explain stuff differently on how to do a certain haircut, let me know. And also, if you guys can, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube. My Instagram will be at the end of the video. Hope you guys like this video a lot. I do this for y'all, so take care, y'all.